What up? Here we are. Same song and dance as usual. Not really an update video. More, I gotta talk about this right here. The lock ring on the transmission nut. In the last month or so, I've done about a dozen jobs the left side of these bikes, whether it was the primary seals or the transmission or whatever, but I've been in these bikes a lot in the last month or so. I can't tell you how many of these bikes this nut was loose on, even with a lock ring. And I'm going to show you what's going on. Now, this turns reverse, if you don't know. It's not righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, right? It's opposite. So counterclockwise is tight, right? So now if counterclockwise is tight, this can only get tighter. It can't get looser. It's at the edge of a clockwards rotation. Now if you were to put this, let me get this off, say like that, it's a little off because this isn't how I'm doing it, but you get the gist. It can move. It can rotate. Now it can only rotate that little bit, right? It's not loose, it's not gonna come off, right? Well, I've taken these bikes apart and this nut is still there, the lock ring's still there, it moved a little, it was just enough for this to jiggle around. They stripped out the inside of the pulley or the teeth on the drive gear. Now, you're gonna say I'm a jerk off, that's a story, no way, all that stuff's hardened, right? You would hear it, whatever. There's a million things you're gonna say, right? I showed this in another video a couple weeks ago, but in case you didn't see it. This is my clutch basket from my bike. Nothing in there. So don't tell me this hardened stuff can't wear. Everything wears. Everything's got its limit. They're gone. There's nothing in there. So just make sure when you're assembling one of these, because nobody's perfect, right? Just pay attention that this is like that. So the only way it can move is tight, not loose. And that is that, my friends.